My name is Dr. Deanna Kate, and I am the Director of Undergraduate Student Programs for CEED, which means that I pretty much work with both the CEED Peer Mentoring Program and the Galileo and Hypatia Living Learning Communities within CEED. And we have several different programs that our students are a part of. And we do have some peer mentors, and then also we have some of the Galileo and Hypatia upper class leaders and GLT members who are going to tell you a little bit more about what they do within CEED, and then we can go from there. So let's get started with Nathan, if you can go.
Yeah, of course. So it's nice to meet you all. My name is Nathan Jones. I'm a peer leader in the CEED peer mentoring program. So pretty much my role, I was a mentee my first year, then I was a peer mentor, and now I'm a peer leader. So I'm part of a group of 7 people that kind of help run the program. I'm a junior in industrial and systems engineering. And yeah, so far I've had a good time. We just kind of help put on this peer mentoring program for all the mentees. It's a 10-week program that just helps you get adjusted to college and the engineering program here at Virginia Tech.
Thank you, Nathan. And next we have Russell.
Hi, everyone. I'm Russell Lutke. I am a senior in electrical engineering, and I've been part of the Galileo program within CEED, or the Galipatia program within CEED for the past, this will be my 4th year. My first year, I was a freshman and a mentee in the program. Then sophomore year, I served on the academic committee and was a mentor as well. Then last year, I was a mentor again and worked as a TA for the Galileo class. And then this year, I am a mentor liaison where I help teach the mentors and help the mentors get their things done to help you all out.
Thank you, Russell. We have Anna next.
All right. Hello. My name is Anna. I am a senior in electrical engineering. I'm trying to remember everything I should say. Senior in electrical engineering. My freshman year as a freshman and a mentee. Sophomore year, I believe I was a mentor and a committee member for the professional development committee. And then last year, I was the committee liaison for the communications committee. And this year, I'm in the same position as the communications liaison. So I went from professional development, which I'm not sure if we have professional development people here, but professional development helps you with resumes, etc. And then communications deals with any social media that Galipatia has, as well as stuff like the newsletters that are hanging in the bathroom that as you become a member of Galipatia, you'll get to see if you live in Hoke Hall.
Thank you, Anna. Next we have Haritha.
Hello, everyone. My name is Haritha. I'm a senior in computer engineering, and I've been a part of Galipatia for the last 4 years. My freshman year, I started out as a freshman as in Hypatia. And then my sophomore year, I was a mentor and I served a part as the outreach committee. My junior year, I was tasked with starting up a task force for international students because I'm an international student. And my senior year, currently, I serve as the committee liaison for the Stable Mind Initiative.
Thank you, Haritha. Next, Kavya.
Hi everyone, my name is Kavya. I am a senior in material science and engineering, and I've been involved with CEED and Galipatia since I was also a freshman. Freshman year, I was mentee. Sophomore year, I was a committee member on the studio training committee, which I am now a committee liaison for, and I was also a mentor that year. And I've been a committee liaison for the past 2 years.
Thank you, Kavya. Next, we have Mariel.
Hi, I'm Marielle. I'm a junior in material science and engineering, and I've been a part of Galipatia for the past 3 years. I was a freshman student, and then last year as a sophomore, I was a member of the Design Challenge Committee. And then this year, I am one of the committee liaisons for the Design Challenge Committee, where we just put on a couple engineering competitions for some of the freshmen in the studio.
Thank you, Mariel. Next, we have Jonathan.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Castellanos. I'm a senior in computer science, and I'm currently the committee liaison for the Academic Support Committee, where we're basically in charge of holding test reviews and tutoring hours. And freshman year, I was a mentee. Sophomore year, I was a mentor and a member of the Academic Support Committee. And then last year, I was the Academic Committee liaison again.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. Next, we have Jessica.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a junior in mechanical engineering. I've been in Galopecia for the last 3 years. So I started as a mentee. Then sophomore year, I was a mentor as well as a studio training committee member. And then this year, I am a mentor liaison. So helping the mentors with their mentees.
Thank you, Jessica. Kobe.
Hello, I'm Jacob Washington, junior in civil and environmental engineering, and I started with Galopecia my freshman year, and I've been here ever since. I'm now a mentor liaison, so I've been a mentee, a mentor, and now I'm a mentor liaison, and I'm hoping to return for next year. So I'm excited about that.
Thank you, Kobe. Next, we have Ray.
Hey, I'm Raymond. I'm a fourth year in electrical engineering. So currently right now, I'm a committee liaison for the Design Challenge Committee. I also did that last year. And the year before that, when I was a sophomore, I was a part of the Communications Committee as a member, and been a part of Galopecia for about 4 years now. So yeah.
Thank you, Ray. Lastly, we have Callie.
Hi guys, I'm Kaylee David. I am a mentor liaison, so I started my freshman year as a mentee, and then I was a mentor, and this is my first year as a mentor liaison for Galopecia, and I am a junior in biomedical engineering.
Thank you so much, Kaylee. So we wanted to just have some of our current upper class leaders and peer leaders to come and speak to you all about their experiences in Galopecia and then also in the CEED Peer Mentoring Program, just so you can kind of understand what we do and the things that we offer here at Virginia Tech for our incoming engineering students. As you can see, we offer separately, we offer programs. One is specifically for the CEED Peer Mentoring Program for our students who are not in the Galileo and Hypatia Live and Learning communities. So if you would like to get involved with our first year students or as a first year student, but you would not want to be a part of the Live and Learning community, then you can always sign up to be a mentee in our CEED Peer Mentoring Program. And we allow for the students to be able to meet with their mentors once a week throughout the first semester for 10 weeks. And then that'll end that program in the fall semester. And then what we're also going to do for next year is also create different workshops and things for the CEED peer mentors to take their mentees to, whether it be working with some of the corporate partners, workshops on building your resume, or doing an elevator pitch or something like that for you, so that you can help build up experiences as a freshman at Virginia Tech. And then also the Live and Learning communities, we have the Galileo and Hypatia, and that is a year-long program that works for the students live together in Hogue Hall, and they take a first-year course with our with other first-year students in Galopecia, and then they also receive a peer mentor. And they meet with their peer mentor for the first 10 weeks of the fall semester, and they continue on and take they participate in programming and things like that. We have social events. We have let's see, social events, we have professional development opportunities, and we also have community service events that the students are required to be a part of. And if you are interested in being a part of either the CEED peer mentoring program or Galopecia, then the applications for Galopecia open in the spring semester of 2021, and in the summer of 2021 will be the applications for the CEED peer mentoring. And if you have any questions at this time, please feel free to go into the chat, the question and answer, and ask your questions. But right now, I don't see any questions, so I can ask a question myself to the panelists. Can you tell me why you decided to go from just being a part of either the peer mentoring program or Galopecia and going into your leadership role? And anyone can answer that question.
Yeah, I could start that one off. So, I was in the CEED peer mentoring program. So as a mentee, I signed up just because, I just thought it'd be good, to have some upper class guidance. And when I got in, I really just found how valuable the program was. There's a lot of things that obviously transitioning from high school to college, that there's a lot of unknowns. And having that, even though it's just a 10-week program, it was so helpful because, I had a junior mentor that could really teach you those tips and tricks that you just won't get otherwise than talking to a student, someone that's been through it. So I really found that valuable, and having it helped me so much, it made me want to give back to mentees, help other people the same way my mentor did. So that's why I got involved as a mentor. And then being a mentor, I definitely wanted to just help the program, improve the program, which is what kind of drove me to become a peer leader in this year, my junior year.
Thank you so much, Nathan.
So I'll go. For me, I joined Galileo as a freshman because when I toured as a senior, the shop sold me for one thing, and the entire community aspect of it, I loved it. And because you had to live on campus anyway, I figured I might as well live with a bunch of engineers in that way. And it turned out to be very helpful having other people taking my classes and stuff. And I fell in love with the community almost instantly. And it wasn't my mentor myself who convinced me, whose discussions with convinced me to join it. I'll be honest, I didn't have an overly great mentor for it. He did everything and he was helpful for what I needed him for. But my friend who lived just down the hall to me had a better mentor, and I was always hanging out with him. And he's the one who convinced me that giving back to the community could really help out overall in the end. And so I decided to apply to it, and I loved the opportunities. I loved working with the academic committee my sophomore year, and I loved teaching and helping the freshmen again. So I applied to be a mentor liaison as a sophomore. I didn't get the position, but I asked if I could be a mentor again because I enjoyed it, and that's why I did. And that's why I did. I've enjoyed helping people and make the adjustment. As Nathan said, the adjustment from high school to college, it can be a bit rough if you don't know what you're doing. And I had people there to help me through it, and I wanted to help other people through it, and it's a way of repaying the favor.
I could go. I'm like, definitely for me, it was more of like the sense of belonging because when I moved from Kuwait, that's where I lived before coming to Blacksburg. I'm like, it's 21,000 miles away from home. I do not have family anywhere in the US. So my closest family, my first degree relative lives in Canada. So for me, it was more of like finding the sense of community, and being a part of Hypatia like helped me a lot. I was in a similar boat like Russell. Like my friend had a great mentor. My mentor did everything she could, but then it was not like she went beyond and above her position kind of a thing. But yeah, my friend's mentor, she was amazing. I'm like, I confided everything to her. It was like she helped me through a lot of struggles I went through in freshman year to say. So I think for me it was more of like I wanted to give back to the community, which helped me like a lot in freshman year where I like moved practically from home, finding a different place. So yeah, that's why I wanted to stay back, and then it's 4 years and I'm still here.
Thank you so much. If there are no other questions, we are going to end this session right now. But if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I can be reached at deanakatey@vt.edu if you do have any questions or concerns. Thank you so much. Have a good one.